Hey guys, Grego here. Whew, been hectic times getting Frank finished, but we're there. Got just about ready to load it onto the trailer. So he's looking really good. Lovely looking panel van. And yeah, it's had a bit of work on it mechanically so that it's virtually ready to go roadworthy wise. Yeah, so it's been a bit of a mission to get it where it is. Not just the panel repairs and rust repairs and paint, but the wiring, etc. has been a lot because the wiring harness was all severed. So as you know, so that's it, looking all fresh there. Got new levers on there, the heaters are all hooked up to be working. Got nice new seat belts. So the interior is all ready to go in. Rock and roll bed in the back's going in. And yeah, I just thought I'd give you a quick rundown before it goes. So that's about it. We've had it here for a couple of years, but it's been, now that it's all done, it's all worthwhile. So you'll see this one cruising around Newcastle soon. So it's come up really well, I think. Not a show car, but just a nice looking bus. So yeah, roof's looking good, and it's ready to go. So I just thought I'd give you a quick rundown. The rundown is it's ready for the seats to go in, trims to go on, bit of soundproofing in the back and all that sort of stuff. So Andrew's going to do a little bit of help out with the interior fit out for a day down there, and then back home and on to the next stuff. So alrighty, I'll give you a quick look at the engine. It's all the new rubber seals in, engine's looking fresh, blaze cut on there. Got to get a battery clamp for it yet. Yeah, all looking good. So it's ready. Just needs a nice set of chrome hubcaps for it, I guess. Yeah, and we're right to go. What's wrong? Andrew's trying to drag a seat up by himself, so I better go. We got to deliver that down to. Oh, strong boy. Can he? Oh, hang on. Can he do it? Yeah, we're dropping this off for someone who bought that office, and yeah, I'm coming. Right, got to go. Bye.